How to configure Cyfuture Lite Cloud. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to configure and manage your cloud services seamlessly. To begin with, first head over to the Cyfuture Lite Cloud homepage. In the top right corner, click on the Sign In button and choose Lite Cloud Sign In. Next, log in using your preferred method. Once signed in, you'll land on the welcome page of your Lite Cloud portal, ready to explore and configure your cloud services. To begin, choose the virtual machine that fits your needs. Select the RAM, processor, and storage specifications that best suit your requirements. Once done, click Order Now to move to the next step. On the configuration page, you'll have the option to select your operating system, either Windows or Linux. Make your choice and click Continue to proceed. Now, it's time to review your order, double-check your selections, and if you have a promo code, enter it here to avail a discount. Once you're satisfied, click on Checkout to proceed. You'll now be redirected to the payment page. Choose from several payment methods, including PayPal, Razorpay, or bank transfer. Complete the payment and click Complete Order. Congratulations, your order is now confirmed. After completing your order, you'll see your order number. Save it for future reference. Click Continue to Client Area to access the Lite Cloud dashboard. Here you can explore all your active services, quotes, tickets, and invoices. To view your virtual machine details, click on View Details under your VM panel. Here you can see your machine's status, configuration, and more. Your VM login details will be sent to your registered email, so keep an eye on your inbox. In the billing section, you can easily view and download all your invoices, both paid and unpaid. Need assistance? Navigate to the More menu and select Open Ticket. Choose the department you need help from, whether it's support, billing, sales, or server delivery. Fill in the form with the required details and submit it. You'll receive a ticket ID, which you can use to track updates or responses. Once your machine is ready, its details, including IP address and network information, will be displayed in your dashboard. Use these details to log into your VM and start utilizing your cloud services. That's it! You're now all set to use Cyfuture Lite Cloud. Thank you for choosing Cyfuture Lite Cloud.